Good afternoon, all the exhibitor, participant, buyer and visitor. I really welcome all of you to the third edition of BuyerSell Summit, which going to start today, means 28th, 29th, 30th, which is going to be a virtual show, not physical show. Last 2 years it was we done a very successful two physical show where more than international buyer came and done the business with all our participants, and so they were very happy. So all we ILPA decided to continue this show even due to pandemic. We were decided to go on virtual show. So I hope this year also make him very successful, and due to virtual we get very good connection with the buyer all over the world. The sitting in itself in our manufacturing place, we can coordinate with that. Now we tell about something about the ILPA. ILPA is a very strong organization which is established in 1987, and till now we are serving to all the manufacturer and exporter with a biggest platform and all different kind of services. We provide them buyers, we provide them their problems with the government, with other problem they face. So all our members are very happy with the ILPA, and we need full support and we give full support. Now we talk about our Bantala Leather Complex. In that complex we have a Leather Goods Park, ILPA Leather Goods Park, which is in Zone 9, and we have international facilities in all the manufacturing unit where big brand like Armani, Gucci, Redley, Coach, all are working and with high standard quality. And the factory is very big factory, between 20,000 to 150,000 square foot factory are there, and each factory, some factory are working more than 3,000 to 4,000 people. So now we talk about this show, which was very inaugurated and given the good thought about that this show will make them success, and that is how it can be success. The government of West Bengal has supported every time with this show, and they come forward and they push us and to ILPA and ILPA team. And I like to say our ILPA team really work hard for this whole show, especially WBDIC, MSME, and all the organization. They help us in financially and also full supporting with their services. And now once again I thank you very much, and I like to invite our dignitary Mr. Rajiv Sinha, WBIDC Chairman, Mrs. Vandana Yadav, Managing Director WBDIC, and Principal Secretary Mr. Rajesh Pandey, MSME. So I welcome them to as a dignitary to give a full support, and they are giving, and they are going to talk about our show. So now officially I welcome and start this show, and let's their speeches and their comments you follow. So once again thank you very much, and it is a great venture. So I hope everybody will get much benefited our BSS virtual show. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. I am very, very happy to be a part of this great job that ILPA is doing. I am told that this is the third edition of Buyer Seller Meet, and given the current situation, it has been organized virtually. And that is what this pandemic has taught us, that life goes on in spite of the natural calamities and problems like this coming up. All that we have to do is to innovate new ways of doing business. So I am sure that this 3-day summit to be held on 28th to 30th, 31st January will be a great opportunity to showcase the quality and the products that we in Bengal manufacture, as well as a great interaction with people and other industry people from other parts of the country or other parts of the world who will come together on a single platform. I was informed when I was talking to the key office bearers of ILPA that there has been huge success in the past on this platform, and I am sure this year also it will create a record of sorts by making people network with each other and developing a symbiotic relationship between various players in the sector. As you all know, Bengal government places a lot of importance and gives a lot of priority to leather sector. Firstly, because it has been a traditional strength of the industry of Bengal. Secondly, because we have finest of the artisans here, and our companies located in Bengal are suppliers to the best brands across the globe. It also provides a lot of opportunity of employment creation in the state, and this is where the government priority lies. We want our talented young people to get employed meaningfully, and ILPA can play a very, very significant role here. We also have to keep in mind the fact that this sector is having a huge challenge in terms of getting other products as replacement of leather in the market. So my suggestion and my recommendation based on my experience of all these years in industry is that you have to keep innovating. The times are changing very fast, whether they're, even if we do not take into consideration the ongoing pandemic, even then you have to reinvent yourself every day and reach out to the consumer with the best quality products and at a highly competitive rate. From government side, I can only assure you that whatever support ILPA needs will be provided, and individually as an entrepreneur or collectively as an organization, you are most welcome to see me, meet us, and share your problems and challenges, and we will be serving you, with all eagerness as we have done in the past. So I once again thank the ILPA authorities who have given me a chance to speak to you. And I wish the buyer-seller meet organized by ILPA all success. Thank you very much.
I am happy to note that the Indian Leather Producers Association ILPA has organized the third edition of its buyer-seller meet from 28th to 30th of this month. Last year also they had organized an occasion where a lot of buyers had come from all over the world. This year I wish, especially this is important because of the pandemic situation, I hope that this buyer-seller meet will bring new products, new designs and a big market to all the producers here. I wish this virtual meet all the success. Thank you.
It's a great privilege for me to be associated with the buyer-seller meet of ILPA. It gives me great pleasure, not just because it is one of the premier industries in Bengal, but more so because I consider the leather products industry as a role model for everything which industry is supposed to do or mean. I will only talk about the government's interaction with the government's role in the sector. I think this is one industry which has done very well with very minimal intervention from the government in direct manner. We've been a facilitator. We have been promoting the industry. Bantala Leather Park is one of the premier leather parks in Asia, the largest and one of the most well developed. We would be always happier to work with the industry in terms of facilitating buyer-seller meets, providing common facility centers, providing training programs, or anything whereby the government can step in to assist the industry as a whole. I wish the buyer-seller meet every success and hope that the leather products industry continues its growth story and continues to make us all proud. On behalf of the government of West Bengal, I wish the program every success and hope that everyone comes out richer and more learned after this interaction. Thank you.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the ILPA BSS 2021. It gives me great pleasure to invite our overseas delegates and guests, fellow exhibitors, esteemed ILPA members, and friends from the industry. The pandemic that started mid-February 2020 has globally affected business in the leather industry in many ways, and an extremely important part and parcel of the building customer relationship and business development. Alternative strategies have come into play. Two specific developments that have come. A has been the virtual fairs, which through the BSS 2021, which is the first of its kind when it's a virtual fair, is being promoted. And the second is video conferencing with our clients. The new process of virtual fairs defines a major paradigm shift in how the world would conduct its business in the future. The ILPA BSS 2021 is a part of this initiative that is for sure to benefit our exporter fraternity and the overseas clients who are coming to visit. I wish all the very best to our exporter friends, visitors, and visiting clients over the next few days at the ILPA BSS 2021. Thank you very much. All the very best.
Namaste. On behalf of ILPA, I welcome you all to this third edition of ILPA Bioseller Summit. COVID has taught us to reset our business and personal life. This edition of ILPA BSS is also reset on a virtual mode. We think this mode has advantage in terms of convenience and coverage. In this small span of 3 years, we feel proud to inform that ILPA BSS has gained popularity just because it is a platform of serious manufacturers located in the heart of world's largest leather goods manufacturing facility. In this edition, we have 36 exhibitors, and we are also glad to inform that we have many more confirmed visitors till date compared to the previous editions. In the first edition in 2019, we had 35 member exporters who displayed their range of leather goods and accessories. It was visited by 15 international buyers and 10 brand representatives from nearly all around the world. In the second edition, in 2020, we had 35 member exporters who displayed their leather goods ranging from handbags, wallets, leather garments, and small leather goods. It had a good response from several international buyers and also 12 international brands and buying houses from UK, France, Spain, Netherlands, Australia, South Africa, in addition to the several buying houses situated in India visited it. I appeal to all the visitors, buyers, buying houses to come and visit this virtual fair. Go through all the exhibitors matching to your product profile. Place your questions and inquiries. You will surely find it worthwhile to generate a long-standing business relation. Thanking you and all the best.
Welcome all to the third edition of the ILPA BSS 2021, and this time it's virtual. India and particularly Kolkata has a very rich tradition in manufacture of leather bags and products. Artisans with experience from generations, added with technology upgradations undertaken by Italian, German teachers and machines, the factories are amongst the best in the world, and many reputed brands come. Many companies have even now started making BU bags as for their matter of fact. Sustainable technology with fair trade practices is also becoming hallmark of many manufacturers here in Kolkata. The pandemic has thrown us an opportunity for all to go virtual, and from the comforts of your home, you can search for new options. As they say, learn from the unexpected, and therefore, my friends, don't just plan, but make new options. Happy making new options, good surfing, dear buyer, and wish you all the best. Thank you very much. See you at the third edition of the ILPA BSS 2021. Good luck.
Welcome to third edition of ILPA BSS. Due to pandemic, this time we are organizing virtual fair, which is very convenient for the customer. Those who want to source it from India, they can have their own time. They can use their own time. They can visit our fair from their office, from their home. So they have the convenient time to visit. We have our renowned manufacturer of India, those who are showcasing their products. You can see their products as well as the video of the factory. They can get the catalog, they can download the catalog. So it is very convenient for the visitors. So we are requesting all the customer to visit us and have a good opportunity to work with us. Thank you.
It gives me immense pleasure to take part in the inauguration of the third edition of ILPA Buyer-Seller Meet today. I congratulate ILPA for taking proactive steps in bringing together buyers and sellers on this virtual platform. This despite the significant challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Indian leather industry is well poised to significantly enhance its presence in the global market. The leather industry in Kolkata has been playing a very key role in the overall development of the industry in India. Being an integrated production facility, the Calcutta Leather Complex is a successful model which needs to be emulated in other parts of the country. I would like to thank all overseas buyers and customers who are taking part in this buyer-seller meet. I am sure that this BSM will lead to significant business tie-ups and enhancement of trade. I once again congratulate ILPA for the export promotion efforts and wish all the participants a huge success. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Friends, I welcome all of you on Buyer-Seller Summit organized by the ILPA. Last year was very critical, we passed through the pandemic. This pandemic has taught us a lot of things. First thing, the orders were very less. We were fighting for the survival. Ultimately, we learned that how to cut costs, do the costing, cutting the cost. So we have come to know with the new innovations, ideas that how we can do our productions with the less cost and how we can become more competitive. And this has taught us also about the digitization. With that will help, that is also helping us in the market. Nowadays we are doing all virtual, these marketings, these all are helping, in cutting costs, and ultimately we are getting good results. And I hope this Buyer-Seller Summit will be also successful. Thank you very much.
Well, I'm happy to know that ILPA is organizing 3-day virtual Buyer-Seller Meet. It is at this difficult time, it's very important that this type of summit should be organized on a regular basis. The largest footwear fair, which is Garda in Italy, has been organized last week virtually, and it's been very successful. I'm sure this ILPA summit will also be successful. This is the only way how we can showcase our products to the buyers and showcase our new developments to the buyers and keep getting the business. So I wish all the best to the exhibitors and congratulate to the organizers for this initiative. Thank you.
On the 28th, 29th and 30th of January 2021, Indian Leather Products Association is going to launch the first time virtual online buyer and seller meet. We would like to congratulate Team ILPA, the President and all the Managing Committee members for this very noble initiative that has been taken at this particular point of time, as the world, as we know, is facing through the global pandemic, and it is virtually impossible for any one of us to continue the dialogue with our business counterparts. Therefore, this opportunity will give immense benefits and will strengthen ties with our partners, and at the same time, exhibitors and people like buying houses, buyers, they can come and visit the virtual fair, which is going to make history. And I feel that it will show the world that although everything is closed, everyone is shut, Europe is shut, we can see what is happening in America, but this initiative will bring the world closer once again, and I think it is an excellent idea, an excellent move, and we should make the most of it. We welcome all of you. I, on behalf of Calcutta Leather Complex Tanners Association, on behalf of Indian Leather Products Association, on behalf of Council for Leather Exports, invite all of you to kindly come and join the virtual seminar starting the 20th of January and be a part of this buyer-seller meet. Thank you very much.
Hello from France. First of all, I would like to thank Indian Leather Product Association for giving me the opportunity to detail my manufacturing experience in India. I am Jean Clenet, having had an experience of 11 years in the trade of the manufacture of shoes, then of 18 years in that of the other leather good. In France, I was directly responsible for shoe production factories and then for 2 own production factories of leather goods for large French luxury houses, the best one. Finally, I was general manager and the CEO of the Le Tanner Group, with factories in France, Romania, subcontractors in Tunisia and Morocco, and for more than 40 years in China. Le Tanner is a French brand born in 1898, which sells through a network of 60 owned stores, mainly in France, 80 corners in department stores such as Les Galeries Lafayette and Le Printemps, and over 300 multi-brand retailers. The products sold range from small leather goods, ladies and men bags, to briefcases and suitcases. My production experience in India started in 2004, after selecting several factories in Kolkata and Chennai with the intention of gradually use leathers tanned or finished in India. Gradually, the trade developed more in Calcutta than Chennai or other cities, because I was able to find companies there which demonstrated a strong desire to achieve the quality we wanted, and to offer leathers from local tannery thanks to the capacities and qualitative progress on the new complex. All this was possible because we found in the Kolkata factories a very good capacity for product development and for the sourcing of metal accessories in Europe or China. For me, for Le Tanner, the best quality was found in Kolkata after I tried with other cities in India. Relation with the manager of these factories, as well as with the technician development team, production and quality monitoring teams were very good. This has enabled us in the few years to increase our production share in India to more than 60% of all our foreign productions, while guaranteeing very good quality to our customers. No, I am a young retiree, and after a long career in the industry and distribution of a major French brand, working with India and particularly in Calcutta remains for me one of my best professional experiences. For this, I must thank factories in Calcutta such as Crescent, Trio and especially D2 International, in whom I have found in the teams and among the owners, Mr. and Mrs. Bhatia, a very strong desire to guarantee the best. I can assure that the best quality in Calcutta was found at D2 International. Indian Leather Product Association Summit is a great approach to show all the know-how of the factories in Calcutta, to find new customers. In this difficult period for travel, and therefore of difficult developments, this summit is an essential action. I wish you all a lot of success in your business. Goodbye.